You are wasting your time and money every single day you turn on your smart TV, and you do not even know it. Most people think that buying a separate streaming box is a complete waste of cash. After all, every single modern television you buy today already comes with smart features built right into the screen. It feels like you're paying double for something you already own. For a long time, it seemed like the Apple TV was the most useless device in the entire Apple ecosystem. It felt crazy to spend extra money on a device that does the exact same thing your TV can already do for free. But that way of thinking is completely wrong, and it might actually be costing you more over time. When you look closer at how ordinary TVs are made, you start to see the hidden trap that manufacturers put inside your living room. The biggest secret that TV brands hide from you lives inside the internal hardware specifications. An ordinary smart TV is not built like a powerful computer or a modern smartphone. Computers today have massive amounts of memory, often reaching 16 or 32 gigabytes of RAM. Even the phone inside your pocket usually packs 8 or 12 gigabytes of RAM to keep things running fast. An ordinary television is completely different because it usually only has about 1 or 2 gigabytes of RAM inside. Only the most expensive premium televisions on the market ever reach up to 4 gigabytes of RAM. You might wonder why memory even matters on a television since you're just trying to watch a video. RAM is the secret engine that keeps your entire system running smooth. It is completely responsible for how fast your menus move, how quickly your favorite apps open, and how well the television manages tasks running in the background. When your device only has a single gigabyte of memory, everything quickly starts to break down. Your apps take a long time to open, the screen begins to freeze, and the entire user interface feels incredibly slow and painful to use. The Apple TV changes this completely because its hardware operates on an entirely different level. The version includes 4 gigabytes of RAM as a standard baseline feature. This massive amount of memory means the system stays fast and buttery smooth for many years. It performs just like a high-end iPhone or a premium MacBook. You're no longer trapped just watching basic streams on Netflix or YouTube. You can jump between multiple heavy apps without any lag, play games, stream high-quality music, and do everything you expect from a top-tier modern device directly on your biggest screen. Storage is another massive problem that most television buyers never consider until it's too late. Most smart TVs only give you a tiny amount of storage space, usually around 4 to 16 gigabytes total. This space fills up almost instantly because modern apps are getting larger every day. You install 3 or 4 streaming apps, and suddenly your TV screams that it is completely out of space. The Apple TV fixes this issue by offering 64 gigabytes or even 128 gigabytes of internal storage. Having 64 gigabytes is more than enough to hold every app you could ever want without ever worrying about running out of space. When it comes to pure performance and raw power, an external Apple box sits in a completely different universe compared to any built-in television system. That hardware power alone makes the device worth the investment, but the actual user experience goes much deeper. The software interface is something that people do not praise nearly enough. The best way to describe the system interface in a single word is clean. There is absolutely no clutter on the screen, no annoying lag when you scroll, and no weirdly confusing menus to get lost in. Everything feels incredibly fast and satisfying to use. The best part of a great interface is that you do not even have to think about it, because it just works perfectly every single time. Even after you use this device for several years, it will not slow down or become buggy like an old smart TV interface does. This long-term speed comes directly from the premium hardware chips inside the box. That processing power translates into a flawless daily viewing experience where you can watch heavy 4K, HDR video content smoothly without a single stutter or annoying delay. There is an even bigger benefit that will completely change how you view modern technology. The Apple TV has absolutely zero ads across the entire operating system. It might sound crazy to spend $150 just to avoid looking at advertisements. But the dark truth of the tech industry is that you're always paying for your device one way or another. No company gives you free convenience without a hidden catch. Those cheap streaming sticks and built-in smart TV systems are incredibly cheap because they are completely stuffed with forced advertisements, unwanted recommendations, sponsored content, and random trash apps that you never asked to install. The television manufacturers make massive amounts of money by selling your attention to advertisers after you buy the screen. You can see this corporate greed clearly just by looking down at your regular television remote control. Regular remotes are covered in dedicated physical buttons for corporate streaming services that you might not even use. These ugly buttons take up valuable physical space on your controller just because a company paid to put them there. It shows you exactly how the entire television system is built from the ground up to push products onto you. The Apple TV remote is the exact opposite because it is completely minimal and clear. There are no unnecessary corporate buttons and no forced shortcuts to random apps. It only features the exact buttons you actually need to control your media. You do not need a giant physical Netflix logo built into your hand just to enjoy a movie. If you do not pay for your product with actual money up front, you are paying for it with your valuable daily attention. Spending the extra money on a clean experience makes total sense if you value your time and want a powerful system with no corporate interruptions. The absolute best part about this device is something that simply does not exist anywhere else in the tech world. That feature is the seamless ecosystem integration. No other tech company has ever created an ecosystem that works together as smoothly as Apple. Since a massive portion of the world already owns at least one Apple device, adding this box to your home unlocks incredible hidden powers. You can use almost any other device you own to control and enhance your television experience. The perfect example of this teamwork is the iPhone, which most people carry in their pocket every day. If you sit down on the couch and realize your physical remote is lost or too far away, your iPhone instantly becomes your new remote control. You do not even have to open a specific app because the phone automatically places a remote control widget right on your lock screen the moment you're near the TV. Typing a movie title on a traditional television screen is an awful experience that feels like trying to steer a giant ship with a tiny wheel. The Apple TV solves this annoyance by leveraging your phone. Whenever a text box appears on your television screen, a keyboard instantly pops up on your iPhone so you can type normally and quickly. If you do not want to use a keyboard at all, the physical remote has a dedicated voice button that you can hold down to speak your search terms directly into the system. You can also use the advanced Face ID camera on your iPhone to professionally calibrate the colors of your television display. The front-facing camera reads the exact colors shown on your TV screen and sends that data to the Apple box. The system then automatically adjusts the picture settings to be perfectly warm or cool, depending on your specific room environment. If your physical remote control happens to slide deep into the cushions of your couch, your iPhone can help you track it down instantly. The phone uses a special location feature that acts like a game of hot or cold to guide your hand directly to the lost controller based on how close you're standing. Purchasing new apps or renting movies is also completely frictionless. You do not have to type out your credit card numbers or wait for a text message confirmation code. When a purchase screen appears on the TV, your iPhone gently vibrates in your hand, allowing you to double-click the side button to instantly approve the payment using your face. The audio experience is just as magical if you own a pair of AirPods. To connect your wireless headphones, you simply bring them close to the television box, and a prompt immediately appears asking if you want to switch the sound over. It fully supports spatial audio to give you a massive theater-like surround sound experience without waking up anybody else in your house. If you're watching a movie with a friend, they can connect their own pair of AirPods to the exact same box at the same time, so you can both listen together at your own perfect volume levels. Apple designed this entire system so that the more devices you add to your collection, the deeper and more convenient your daily entertainment experience becomes. Even though some tech critics claim that this streaming box is starting to get a little bit outdated, the people who actually use it every day know that is not true at all. It remains an incredibly solid device that will stay relevant for a long time. However, there are massive upgrades planned for the near future around September of 2026. The upcoming model is expected to feature Apple Intelligence, which will make the Siri voice assistant significantly smarter and more helpful. It is also rumored to receive a massive processing upgrade to the powerful A18 chip, which is the exact same chip used in modern high-end smartphones. Putting that kind of insane power into a television box is revolutionary. We are talking about a device that will approach the performance level of a computer, allowing users to theoretically run massive, visually stunning video games like Cyberpunk directly on their television box. The tvOS software is also expected to get a gorgeous visual redesign featuring a liquid-style user interface that matches modern computer operating systems. If you really want the absolute newest chip technology, waiting for the September release makes a lot of sense. But if the current powerful hardware is already enough for your daily streaming needs, you can easily buy the current version right now and enjoy it without overthinking. Of course, no piece of technology is absolutely perfect, and this device does have a few minor downsides you should know about before buying. The most annoying issue is the total lack of a native web browser out of the box. You cannot even download a standard browser from the App Store for free. This can be deeply frustrating when you want to quickly view content from a website or use a streaming service that does not have an official app. While there are complicated, unofficial ways to force a browser onto the system, it is much more difficult than it should be because Apple keeps its software locked down tight. The other complaint people often bring up is the price tag of the device. But while $150 used to seem like a lot of money for a streaming box, the modern electronics market has changed completely. When people are regularly spending anywhere from $800 to $2,000 on a beautiful OLED television, spending a fraction of that amount to ensure the software runs perfectly feels incredibly reasonable. There are really no other major flaws or negative points that stand out to ruin the experience. My best opinion about this product is that it is an absolute must-have for anyone who wants to escape the slow, laggy, and ad-filled nightmare of modern smart TVs. It completely transforms your living room into a premium, blazing fast entertainment center that respects your time and your privacy. If you want to get the absolute most out of your television screen and enjoy a truly seamless lifestyle, this device is worth every single penny. If you like the video, subscribe, share the video, and hit the bell icon so you never miss another deep dive into the best technology on the planet.